Hi, there's some pretty neat features buried in PowerPoint to allow you to make your presentations look more professional, including this really cool little thing in the side where you get a little video. This is done within Record Slideshow. Record Slideshow lets you add drawings, text, and a video inside of your PowerPoint. Forms does not work right now. I'm not sure why, but it in theory is supposed to let you embed a form right into your PowerPoint. You can take screenshots. The screen recording feature is the one that Sean showed earlier. It's now under the recording tab. You can autoplay video, which is really nice when you put it in there and have somebody click on your PowerPoint slide. It makes it play automatically without having them to press anything. Audio is the same thing. Export to video is now built right into a tab, and this save as show is really neat. This lets you save your PowerPoint as a presentation so that when somebody else opens it, they don't see all the editing features. The only thing, it plays automatically in full screen slideshow mode. So if you want to create a presentation that students go through, you can save it as a show and it turns off all the editing features. Pretty neat. Now let me show you how to do this. So in order to turn on this recording slide, you've got to go over into your file, down to options, and finally, once you're into options, you get to click on this customize ribbon. The ribbon in PowerPoint is all of these that show up over there. So over here on customize the ribbon is the main tabs that show up. What you want to do is scroll down until you see the recording option. The recording one is probably unchecked. If you check it, it'll show up there. Another one that while you're in here, you can turn off if your mix tab is checked on, turn that one off. Mix is no longer supported by Microsoft and just is all glitchy and gets in the way. So once again, go over to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and scroll down to the recording tab to turn it on. Once you click OK, you should have that recording tab and have access to all of these shows. A view that didn't show up before in Record Slideshow is pretty neat. It shows you, gives the ability to have that little video in the corner. You can turn that on or off down here and gives you the tabs to write on, record, stop, play, and clear the existing recordings. So you can also have your notes show up here, which is handy if you forget what you're talking about, like I do sometimes. My favorite part of this record slideshow option up here is that it records per slide. So if I mess up, which I did a couple of times during this, I don't have to re-record the entire presentation. I can just re-record that one slide at a time. This is huge, and then once you click export to video, it exports each slide's videos into one big presentation, one big video file that you can then upload to YouTube or Schoology or whatever that you use.